Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Let's start by cutting some green leaf lettuce. Also, some red onion. And I've got a nice red tomato here. Let's cut some slices of that. Now instead of pickle, I'm going to grate some fresh cucumber. And I love fresh avocado on anything with turkey in it. So we'll cut some nice slices of this as well. And that'll take care of our fresh veggies. Now we need to butter our buns. And it's easier if you can keep these together when you toast them. Helps to flip them back and forth. Makes it a lot easier. Throwing them right down on the grill. Let them toast for a few minutes till they look something like this. Now, as you know, sliders aren't very big. I mean, look at this bun. It's tiny. But by using a cutter like this, we can make sure that our burger doesn't get any smaller by oversizing our cuts. Now here I've got about 4 pounds of ground turkey. As you can see right out of the package, it's still pretty thick. So what I like to do is just pull some wax paper right over the top and apply pressure with my hands. If you like, you can even roll out your desired thickness. Makes it a lot more congruent and even. Now I can cookie cut perfect sized turkey burgers. And once you've cleaned out the in-betweens, just come back right over the top with some salt and pepper. Now you're going to grill these over medium heat, about 350 degrees, for about 3 minutes per side. And you want to watch for this gray coloring to work from the bottom all the way up until you're ready to flip. And I like to throw down a little bit of water on the back side of the grill, let it run all the way down to the front so we can steam these burgers a little bit. It isn't necessary, you don't have to do it, but it does ensure a tender inside with a cooked outside. And now it's time to pull them off the grill. Let's give you a close-up of this one here. Not bad. Now let's build a burger. Start with the bottom with a little bit of mayonnaise. Now we'll throw down our green leaf lettuce. Our fresh cut tomato. Some red onion. And we'll throw in our burger. Now we'll lay in that avocado. And we'll top it with that fresh grated cucumber. And we're going to top this turkey burger off with some cream cheese on the bun. Now you're probably going to want something to go with this burger, so make sure you check out my onion rings and my sweet potato fries at the end of this video. And there you have it. Turkey burger sliders right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMan'sGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.